remember the series Jericho? Well, here we are. Let me get this custom. It's Rambo. Alright, this is the new family member. 73 CB350G. It's got the disc brake on the front. Just picked this up. Guy wanted 600 for it, and I asked him, you take 4, and he said sure. And it has a title. Hasn't run in 10 years. It's been in storage. So I've got the tank off of this CB350 because I was getting some leakage coming out from right around there, but I can't tell. I don't know. We're gonna fill it up and see what's going on. So right now I've got a temporary tank on here. I've rebuilt the carburetors on it, cleaned them, and we've got this fuel line system with a shut off. Let's see. This carburetor bowl was leaking. It's still leaking. It's just dripping. Not bad, but I'll put that on there. And then we're gonna try to crank this thing over. So I've got it on. It's in neutral. I got a new battery in it. Choke it. Almost, I think. Let's just put the choke down a little bit. We got some good leakage going on there. Let's turn the choke off. Alright, I gotta check if it's getting spark. Yeah, so I wasn't getting any spark on the plugs, so I went in and cleaned up the points a bit. We'll turn this fuel back on. And I was getting spark on the points. And I was goofing around without the gas on, and it started to turn over. Oh, that wants to go. Try to choke. We're leaking fluid still, but let's give it a try. Man, I heard it kick over like a little bit. So I pulled the carburetor that was leaking, or leaking out of the bottom right here, and we had a couple issues. I don't think the float was working correctly, and the shut-off little pin that's in there, I don't know, the technical name is fuel shut-off. When the float gets up, it shuts the fuel off like that. So I've reset that, and this is working better than the other one. The other one was kind of sticky or whatever. But I wrecked the gasket. That's a new one too, so I ordered a new one. But inside here, this tube was leaking at the base, and I spent a lot of time soldering and trying to get that just right, and then testing it with water and blowing some air up through here to see where the bubbles were coming from. And then I had too much solder on here. I used silver solder and my bigger, what is it, I forget how many watts it was, but my bigger soldering iron. And so then I had too much solder and it wouldn't fit through this when I put it back on, and I've ground this down and it's still holding well, and got this gasket on order, and we'll go from there. But I'm kind of just leaving it, you know, that's as far as I'm going right now until we get to spring. Yeah, so we got the Zero. This is the FXS. This is a pretty cool bike. Knobbies on the back. Hooked up to a Ford Ranger. It's like the ultimate setup.